Samsung has been doing a great job in the affordable segments this year with its Galaxy A and M series phones. The Galaxy M40 and A50 have been the popular choices under Rs 20,000, offering premium designs and latest features. Samsung is now expected to launch another new model in the M series to keep the momentum going during this festive season. Samsung is apparently working on a new smartphone for the mid-range segment. It is expected to be called the Galaxy M90. Without consuming your much time, here is the Samsung Galaxy M90 concept, leaks and specifications. Do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. What has also thus far been leaked about the Galaxy A90 is that the device will sport a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Infinity U display with an dewdrop notch at the top. On the software front, the phone is likely to debut with Android 9 Pie based on One UI out of the box. It is possible that Galaxy M90 will feature Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G chipset, which powers the Galaxy A80. There will be Adreno 618 to power up gaming performance. Apart from more powerful processor, we also expect to see bigger display and more storage. The Galaxy M90 comes in a 4GB or 6GB of RAM. It also gets a 64GB or 128GB of internal storage, which is expandable through microSD card. For the camera configuration, the rear camera setup could incorporate a regular high-resolution camera, wide-angle and plus depth sensor, such as a 48, 12 and 8 megapixel triple rear camera with a dual-tone flash. The 32 megapixel front camera also got a flash. It could most probably feature a big 4400 mAh battery with a Type-C fast charging. Moreover, there will be 25-watt charger in the box. Given that the M series phones rely on a plastic unibody construction, Samsung could stick to glossy plastic finish to keep the cost down. Samsung Galaxy M90 price is a still mystery. The expected Galaxy M90 price in India might be 31,000 rupees, roughly $420 or 22,000 Filipino peso. Even though we do not have a specific release time frame, the phone is likely to be launched before the end of November in the Indian market. Thank you for watching. Do share this video with your family and friends. See you in the next one.